Hello guys, this is Ripon Hussain Chapel from WP Mart. So today we are going to learn how we can make your first WordPress blog post. So let's get started. For making our first WordPress blog post, we need to log into our dashboard and we will choose a design that is this one. So it is having a pretty cool featured image, a important title here, then some metadata, then some title and description, then two grid images, then some content again, then a block code, then title and some list style, then some grid text and image, and we will also learn how you can add YouTube videos or you can add a gallery in your blog post. So no more talk, let's get started. So for doing that, after login you need to click on posts or you can click on add new. So here we will click on add new, and after that we'll add our blog post title, which I will copy from here. So copy the title. Yeah, it's fun now. You can write your title here, that will be fun. And what I need to do is you can see here a title, then some descriptions. So you can see type slash to choose the blog, so we'll give a slash, then heading. As you can see, this is a heading here, it's a title, so I will copy the title here from here, then paste here, and you can see it's h2, so we can change the structure here, h3 or even h4. You can change it from here, and we can suppose we will give it h3, and what we can do is we can change the text color from here. You can see it's pretty fine. We can change the text color now, and you can see it is giving some suggestion here that this color combination may hurt people to read, so it's pretty fun here. So we'll keep this a black, and you can set a background also. You see, you can set a background also from here. It's pretty easy. So we will not give the background here, we will clear it. We will also clear it. I am just showing that you can set your color. Okay, so after adding our heading, we will need to give some content. So I will copy the content here and then just paste it, because by default it is a paragraph text that you are inserting here. So after that we will insert two images here. So for adding images we can type slash, then images image, sorry. So you can see image, but if we type image then we can't add like this. We can only add two images here, So what we need to do is we need to add here columns. So remember, we need to add columns. So after columns we need to choose 50-50, that will be a grid system here. So we'll click on 50-50, or you can choose the grid that you want to set. So I will choose 50-50 and then click on add block, then I will search here image. So I will click on the image here, and I will you can click on upload. It will take you in your PC and you can select your image here, but if you have already uploaded your image, then you will click on media library and you can choose your image from here. So choose the image, then click on select, and you can obviously write some alt text which will help you to bring your content first place in the Google. So you can set some alt text or some descriptions and click on select. So our first image is set here. Now we'll come here and click on add block, then we'll search here image, then add an image here and go to the media library and we will add our second image here. Okay, it's fun. You can see it's pretty fine. It's looking pretty fine from here. So after that, what we need to do is we need to add some content here, and we will copy this content, and just the work is paste. And if you don't know how to copy and paste, just Ctrl C is the copy and Ctrl V is the paste. That's a shortcut. Then press enter, and you can see there is a block quote here, so we'll type here /BLOCK. You can see here the quote, so block quote is a quote here. So you can see type slash to choose the block. So we don't want to do that, we will write some paragraph text here. So this is the paragraph text here. It's been added here, and add citation, we'll say that written by WP theme hat. So you see block quote has been made here. It's pretty fun, na? Just type slash, then your desired thing, it will be there. And here is some title and content. What you can do is, if you are having this on another side, so you can copy it, just Ctrl C, then you can completely paste it here. And you see this is a heading. It is the bun and butter things here for you guys. So you can change the heading 3. We will keep all the things here heading 3. So we'll change this heading 4 to heading 3. So it will be a pretty perfect things now. So after that, we are having some list style. What we need to do is we will click on enter here, then slash, then we will set that list. You can see list here, and we can add some content here. So we'll copy it and just paste it, then press an enter here again, and then copy it again and paste it again, and then again copy. So I think you guys are enjoying. So you can change the style from here also, na? Here you can see select list, you can select all the list, and what you can do is, this is unstyled. So, and this is, you can set the text to 1 2 3 4, or you can set it to dotted. So there are two styles here, with unordered list and with one is ordered list. And you can see here the options, reverse the list, whatever you can do, or alternative style, uppercase style. You can see, you can check this. Okay, so we'll keep it in number. And you see, you can also set the text color, background color, and the typography also. You can set it medium or large or small or medium. So it's depend on you what you want to add. So this way you can add your list style here. And after that, we are having a title, you can see, or we are having a insert. As you can see, I don't know you can see it or not, we are having a insert here, that is like slash, you can type HR and a separator. This is called a separator here. You can type HR, so it will come like separator, then you can just, you need to click it, and you can design the separator style here. You can see the dimensions, you can wide line, you can give dots, as you can see 3 dots, or you can set the default one or wide line. So we'll set the wide line, and you can set the color also. So for it will take more time to show more things, so you can test it and make it as you want. So after that, we need a title, then some columns, na? So what we need to do is, we'll heading, and we'll copy the title here from here, and then paste it. Okay, and we will change our heading styles here to H3. And yeah, after that, you can see there are some text in 6 in this column, and there is some text and images in this column. So what we need to do is, we need to type slash columns, and we will obviously select 50-50 here, and we'll add block text. Then we'll select the paragraph here. Then we can copy this whole text, copy Ctrl C, then we will paste this. So this left side thing is completed here, and we will click on plus here. Then as you can see, we are having some text from here, and we will copy it, and we'll click on paragraph, then we will paste it here. And what we need to do is we need to add an image here. So we'll press enter, then we'll start typing slash image. So we'll go on media library, then we'll add some image here. You see, so you can design it by yourself, or you can add some more text to the left so it looks fine, and you can add some style here. What you can do is you can copy all the things from here, and you can paste it here, so it looks pretty fine now. So now it's looking better than the previous one, no? Or you can fill this gap up too. So for that we will add some description from here. Just copy it and then press enter, then again enter, because double enter it will take you to enter a new block. So Ctrl V here. So it's pretty fine right now, because the image size is big here. That's why we can, you know, we can crop the image also from here, and after that we can remove some text from here also. So it's looking pretty fine now. So after that the designing finished here. So now we will add a YouTube video here. So for adding a YouTube video, you just need to click here on the plus icon, and then slash YouTube, and it is saying that paste a content that you want to add. So we'll go on YouTube here. So we'll go on your channel, or in my channel, and I will paste a video from here. So copy the link, and we'll paste it here, and we'll click on embed. So boom, YouTube video has been come into your WordPress post. So now we'll give some text here again. So we'll copy it from the top, and paste it here. And what we will add is some gallery here. So slash GALL gallery, you can see here gallery, and we'll go on media library, and we'll select some gallery images. Okay, we have select 6 images here. Insert gallery, you can see it's pretty fine, and there is some other things here. You can check it out here from here, resolutions, or the wide or the height of the images here, and you can see the alternative text that will help to rank in the Google. So that's how we can plug and play with your WordPress post. And one thing is remaining here, that is we can select some things here, that we can select our post format. As you can see, it is, what is this? So most of these things is standard in, and you can select some categories here, and you can add some category, and the category is WordPress theme development, and we'll click on add new category. So it is being selected. We can add our tags. So it is WordPress blog. So click on enter here, then it will be added. Or you can give commas, you can read that separate with commas, or enter the key. Now it's the most important time to set the featured image on WordPress. So we'll click on featured image here and set your featured image, and we'll set a featured image from here. We'll set this one as a featured image. So set featured image here, and almost all the things is done, you can see. So we'll click on publish, and here these things will say that all things is ready to publish here, and it is giving a warning that are you really wanting to publish the post here. So we will click on publish. So right now we will view the post here, how it is looking. So you can see this is the blog post here, this is the title, and this is the meta descriptions here, some titles here, then description, then our images, then description, then our block quotes, then this, then our list style, and obviously you can give some designs to them. But this is how you can plug and play with your WordPress blog post. So we'll see you in our next video. Tata, bye bye.